Welcome back to For Your Heart and Home. My name is Dee Dee. Welcome into my kitchen. After the holidays, I always feel the need to slow down, simplify, and gently reset our kitchen. The season is full and beautiful, but it also leaves behind cluttered shelves, tired routines, and meals that don't quite feel like everyday life. Today, I'm sharing 6 simple ways I reset after the holidays and return to scratch cooking. Nothing extreme, just small, intentional steps that help our kitchen feel calm and nourishing again. The first thing I do is take a few minutes to reset the pantry. After the holidays, there are usually extra baking ingredients, half-used bags, and things pushed to the back. I don't aim for perfection, I just take inventory and bring the focus back to the basics we use every week. Whole grains, freshly milled flour, simple fats, and natural sweeteners. This small reset makes it so much easier to cook from scratch again without feeling overwhelmed. After weeks of special meals and treats, I like to return to a gentle meal rhythm. Instead of complicated plans, I focus on a few reliable meals we love. Soups, simple breads, hearty breakfasts, and familiar dinners. This reset helps me cook more intentionally and takes away the pressure to constantly come up with something new. During the holidays, baking often turns into treats and special recipes. Afterward, I love returning to everyday homemade bread. There's something grounding about baking a simple loaf, especially with freshly milled flour. It becomes the foundation for breakfasts, lunches, and simple meals throughout the week. One of my favorite ways to reset is restocking the freezer with homemade convenience foods. As you guys know, I like to stock my freezer with convenience items so that my children, especially, can help themselves whenever possible. So I like to keep things like pancakes, waffles, or quick meals in the freezer whenever possible. Having these ready makes scratch cooking sustainable, especially on busy days, and helps us ease back into our routine without relying on packaged foods. After a busy season, our kitchen tools deserve a little care too. I take time to clean and maintain the things I use most: my mixing bowls, my cast iron pans, my baking stones, and definitely my grain mill. Caring for these tools feels like caring for the rhythm of our kitchen and makes cooking feel enjoyable again.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
The new year is around the corner, and instead of big resolutions, I like to choose one gentle food habit to focus on for the season. During the holidays, we were hosting family, and so I went and bought some conventionally milled flour, and so now I have to use that up and get back into my rhythm of using my freshly milled flour. So that's definitely one goal that I'll be working towards, is more consistently using my freshly milled flour. We made it almost a year of using only freshly milled flour, and so I want to get back on track with that. Definitely, I have to restock my freezer with more breakfast items, again, so that that's more convenient for all of us. These small habits add up and help create a peaceful, nourishing rhythm in our home. This is really important to me, and so this is definitely something that I prioritize each and every day. Resetting after the holidays doesn't have to be overwhelming. A few intentional choices can bring so much calm back into the kitchen and make scratch cooking feel joyful again. I hope you and your family had a great holiday season as we look forward to the new year. Thank you for spending this time with me here in the kitchen. I hope this encourages you to create a reset that works beautifully for your heart and home.